Meteorologist Michael Barron's here. If you have paid any attention to what happened out west, it's been a very messy 24 hours.
Yeah, and unfortunately for a lot of the country, they're still going to be dealing with some really extreme severe weather. Not here in central Ohio, but today down in the south, Tennessee, all the way down to the Gulf Coast. It is going to be a really dangerous evening.
All right.
Yeah, we got our own risk for severe weather too, but thankfully not as strong as what they have down there. What we're looking at, wind and heavy rain as we head through tonight. We've extended our weather impact alert day into the first half of the day Sunday now because of that wind threat and rain threat continuing a little longer than where things were originally looking to wrap up. Make sure you keep connected through tonight and into tomorrow. If any weather alerts come out, your 10 TV app on your phone can get those right to you as soon as they're issued. As far as what we're seeing right now in Columbus, the rain has made it back toward downtown at this hour. Showers coming down. We're losing some of the warmth. We're down into the 60s. We were in the low 70s earlier this afternoon. This is good news to help to kind of tamp down severe weather risks this afternoon. It's not out of the picture yet, but with temperatures now starting to fall, it's looking a little bit less likely, which is some good news. The dew points out there haven't really been all that warm. You really want these to be in the 60s before you start to get into some higher level severe risks, so this is another good sign. And while we can't rule out severe storms, we're not looking at anything major as we head through this evening. For the next 12 hours, showers, some thunderstorms, temperatures staying in the 60s. This will continue through tonight and into tomorrow. Rain chances in the next several hours rather high. Grab the rain gear if you're going to be out and around. You're not going to be able to get out there without having to deal with some of those showers. The other threat we're watching outside of the rain and the storms, it's going to be wind that continues regardless of the storm activity. We've hit a bit of a lull in our southern counties, but we're still gusting over 30 up in Marion and Mansfield. This lull only going to be temporary. Here's the hour by hour. We see the wind gusts pick back up as we head toward midnight tonight. We'll see gusts again in excess of 30 to 40 miles per hour. That'll continue till about sunrise tomorrow, starting to back down some as we head into the afternoon, but it's still going to be breezy even when the strong winds are gone. For that reason, wind alerts have also been extended. More counties now under wind advisories, all in the tan until Sunday morning. This will go till about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. That severe threat hasn't gone away either. We're keeping a close eye on it. Level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Wind, our biggest concern. Right now, we're just seeing the heavy rain come through. The forecast here for these storms further to the south, they're going to work their way on up to the north over the next little bit. Not expected to be severe at the moment. We're keeping an eye, though, on this guy down crossing the Ohio border right now as this pushes its way off to the north. Could potentially bring some stronger weather along with it. You can see it up toward Wayne there by 6:57, moving toward Wilmington by 7:09. Hour by hour, what this is going to look like as these storms continue to work their way in from the Gulf is that we'll see increasing rounds of heavy showers and storms. These continue throughout the night and into the part of the day tomorrow. We'll keep those rain and storm chances through early Sunday as well. So we'll be watching this very carefully. For that reason, again, that alert day has been extended through the first half of the day Sunday. Temperatures down into Monday, but 70s are back by Wednesday.